So let's say you only have $1,000 to invest and you need to grow your money ASAP. You look up how to become a millionaire and see this thing called index funds. Sound great, but they only return 8% a year, and with that return, it'll take 90 years to turn your 1,000 to a million. You do not have 90 years. There's gotta be another way, right? You remember the GameStop rally from a couple of years ago. A run like GameStop would definitely make you a lot of money. So you go to r/wallstreetbets in an attempt to learn how they do it. Oh my god. You see 100, 1,000, even 10,000% gains achieved in just a couple of hours. You need to learn how to do this. The answer is pretty simple. Options. Specifically, short-term, deep out-of-the-money options on meme stocks. You know that they are risky, so you only put $100 in the first options trade. Wow, it worked. You turned the $100 into $200. So now you decide to go all in. Maybe those TikTok gurus try to show you their $300 options trading course right after all. Options are the real moneymaker. But first, if you truly want to make some serious cash, you need to get some more money first. So you take out some high-interest loans. Yeah, I've got a liquid net worth of $5 million and an income of $300,000 each year. Please approve me for this loan. Your house, car, cat, all great things to use as collateral. So now you have $100,000 ready to blow on options. You put it all into 30% out of the money puts in Tesla, expiring in one day. Unfortunately, to the surprise of pretty much no one, Tesla did not proceed to drill 30% that day. Your $100,000 quickly evaporated to, well, zero. So now, you're not just poor, you're homeless, and carless, and catless. You know, maybe your bets would have worked if you had liked, commented, subscribed, and used the link in the description to get $100 in free stocks by signing up for M1 Finance. Just a thought.